Welcome to the Blue Team Security series on web security and web attacks. Web applications are critical assets, powering banking, e-commerce, and healthcare systems. Due to their importance, they are heavily targeted, making it essential for every Blue Team professional to understand common web attack techniques and the necessary defenses. Web applications are prime targets because they process sensitive data, manage authentication, connect to back-end databases, and are exposed to the internet 24/7. Attackers seek to gain customer data, escalate privileges, deploy malware, and compromise back-end infrastructure. Remember, even small coding mistakes or misconfigurations can lead to severe breaches. Our first attack is SQL injection, or SQLI. This happens when an attacker injects malicious SQL commands into input fields, or URLs. If input validation is weak, the application executes these malicious queries against the database. The potential impact includes reading, modifying, or deleting sensitive records, bypassing authentication, and gaining administrative database access. Next is cross-site scripting, or XSS, which targets users, not the server. Attackers inject malicious scripts into trusted web pages that then execute in victims' browsers. There are three main types: stored XSS, reflected XSS, and DOM-based XSS, each leveraging different methods to deliver the malicious script. Server-side request forgery, or SSRF, involves tricking a vulnerable server into making requests on the attacker's behalf. The server acts as an unwitting proxy, accessing resources the attacker couldn't directly reach. This is dangerous because it can expose internal systems, query cloud metadata services, and bypass network segmentation controls. Web shells are malicious scripts uploaded to a compromised web server, granting attackers remote command and control access. They are often disguised as legitimate application files, commonly written in languages like PHP, ASP, or JSP. With a web shell, an attacker can execute arbitrary commands, upload malware, exfiltrate data, and establish persistence. APIs are powerful, but expose business logic and data, leading to API attacks. Key attack vectors include broken authentication from weak token handling, excessive data exposure by returning too much data, authorization bypass where users exceed permissions, injection attacks, rate limit abuse, and token theft. A key defense is the Web Application Firewall, or WAF. A WAF monitors, filters, and blocks malicious HTTP traffic by understanding application layer behavior that traditional firewalls miss. WAFs defend against injection and XSS payloads, malicious requests, automated attacks, and abnormal behavioral patterns, offering modern capabilities like bot protection and threat intelligence integration. The threat landscape is evolving, with attacks becoming more automated and sophisticated, often utilizing AI and exploiting zero-day vulnerabilities. Blue teams must prioritize proactive defense, including secure coding and input validation, continuous monitoring, vulnerability management, and strong application security visibility. To summarize the key takeaways: SQL injection manipulates databases, XSS injects scripts into pages, SSRF abuses servers to reach internal resources, web shells maintain remote access, API attacks exploit programmatic interfaces, and WAFs filter malicious web traffic. Our next video will focus on email security and phishing defense.